The green, wild Cretan landscape and the richness and heritage of traditional crafts define this thoroughly contemporary residential design by Block 722. Sat on the northern foothills of Thrypti mountain within the Greek island's eastern side, the project is a commission by a private client. It called for a 280 sqm home on a slope, including 2 guest rooms and generous outdoor areas. Balancing the needs of the brief with the natural setting that combines vistas of mountains, plains, and the Mediterranean Sea was critical in the architect's design solution. The architecture was driven by a desire to create a modern house that is discreet and respectful of its surroundings. Negotiating the site's angle through levels instead of steps was also critical in molding a relaxing environment that embraces its setting. A path down a slope from the main road leads visitors to the residence's entrance. The complex's size is cleverly broken down into smaller volumes, which are interconnected through circulation routes and in between spaces, some indoors and some open air. The main home is divided into 2 low buildings linked by a semi-enclosed area with a water feature. The design merges natural materials often used in the local vernacular, such as wood and stone. At the same time, the atmosphere is distinctly contemporary, blending Block 722's inherent Scandinavian sensibility and organic minimalism with Japanese architecture influences. This nod to Japan unfolds through the design's refreshing simplicity of clean, almost austere lines that balance the material's natural, tactile nature and the overall craft-rich approach. The powerful Greek sunlight helps define shapes and surfaces, playing with the textured materials, as the architects drew on the feel and rhythm of the context for both interiors and exteriors. The journey of light and the client's habits throughout the day led to the spatial arrangement inside. Each section and route are carefully planned to support functionality and frame vistas, through visual journeys and spatial narratives that blend inside and outside, the natural and the human-made. Here's a look at the plan.